Hi, I'm Courtney from Skincare.com, and these are the top products you can use to target discoloration on your skin. The first thing you can use is a multi-phase serum. This is SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. Put a few drops into your hand and then apply it evenly across your face. The next product you can use is a retinol. This is Vichy's Lift Active Retinol. You can use this daily at night on a clean face. I just put some on my fingertips and apply around my face and neck. The next product you can use is a vitamin C serum. This is Kiehl's Line Reducing Concentrate. You can apply this in the morning after cleansing, but make sure to use sunscreen afterwards. I just squirt some into my hand and apply with my fingertips.